So we have done all kinds of heated vests in the past, but we have never ever done a cooling vest. So when these guys here, Ice Cool Vest, said, hey, do you want to try a cooling vest? And I was like, yeah, because there's a lot of times I'm out mowing the lawn or I'm out riding my motorcycle. Motorcycle is probably a big one where I'm just like, you know what? It is scorching hot. And because of that, I end up taking off like my armored jacket and stuff like that because it's too warm. And I remember talking to an RCMP guy trainer that I was doing training with, and he was like, you know, there's a point where you kind of have to take off some of the gear and you run that extra risk of, you know, maybe getting an accident, but you also don't want heat stroke while you're riding. So being able to keep your core really cool is really important. So, you know, he says even he rides, he says, when he's not working, with like a t-shirt sometimes or a long sleeve shirt or something like that, just to help him stay cool. So this is the Cool X Ice Water Circulating Cooling Vest. Now realize this is based on, I'll show you here, because it just came kind of packed like this. It comes with these ice packs that you freeze. And as far as I know is that you put the ice packs in the vest, and then there's something that circulates like the cool water or cool air, or I don't know. We're going to figure this out around you, and that just keeps you cool. How long is it supposed to stay cool? I guess it really all depends on how hot it is. Anyways, we'll take a look at their website. I have to figure out what size I got. My guess is it's the biggest one. We'll see how that fits. And then we'll kind of see how it works. Like today's not warm, so we'll wait for a warmer day just to kind of finish the video, and then we'll be good. Okay, so Cool X Ice Water Circulating Cooling Vest, small, medium, extra large, or two. So I'm pretty sure I went with the big one. You can get it with the vest and the 10 ice packs for like 79 bucks. Big sale right now. I don't know if that sale is going to be on when you guys are looking, but as of now, big sale. Or you can get it like what I got, which comes for an extra 20 bucks. I believe this is US. It comes with a power bank. So I do believe you need a power bank. Now there's also a size guide here just to make sure, you know, and again, there's a point where if you're larger than that, you're just out of luck, right? Anyways, product principle. Here we go. The vest features ice packs and water for easy refilling for long-lasting cooling. Products use a combination of ice water and pumps to push cold water through the flat water compartments of the vest. Basically, it's water cooling, right? It's water cooling, stuff we see on our motorcycles, stuff we see in cars, stuff we see on computers. This allows for a continuous flow of cool water around the body core, keeping the user cool. This is non-evaporative, phase charge or air-cooled vest. This is the best, most affordable water circulating personal cooling vest. All right, cool. Not that bad. It's 79 bucks, right? If you have your own battery pack. Commonly used by people with multiple sclerosis and other medical conditions. Oh, outdoor workers, welders, beekeepers. I guess that's co-players. I don't know. HVAC technicians. Whatever. But again, it could be used for me mowing the lawn when it's 30 degrees outside. And then you have different cooling, one ice pack. Oh, that's pretty good actually. Blue light, 2.5 hours. Green light, 3 hours. And white light, about 3.5 hours. But we're gonna go just full bore. So what does it say here? Unzip the zipper, insert the USB cable into the power bank. I'm watching, right? And I'm guessing somehow, somewhere, we put the water in. Okay, let's figure this out. Okay, so this is everything you get. Okay, ice water circulating cooling vest. Now the bonus is everything's actually a fairly good size, so you should be able to figure this out. Ice bag operation guide. It says open the ice bag water filler, fill it up. Wait a few moments. The water inside the bag becomes gel. Put in the freezer for more than 10 hours and it's ready to use. Okay, so we couldn't really show this part until I do that anyway. But instructions, well let's see it, okay? Okay, so we got the one, like I said, with a battery. So this is the battery here, power bank. Based on its size and everything, my guess it's probably going to be somewhere around a 5,000 milliamp hour would be my guess. Let's take it out here. It is USB-A to a micro USB. Boo! USB-C would be better, but whatever. Again, and if you have your own battery, you're good to go. But a nice looking battery, it does allow you to do other kind of charging. It does have a USB-C port on it, so maybe you could charge via that. Yeah, 5,000. You guys maybe to see it. 5,000 milliamp batteries, so that's okay, decent size. I like the physical size of it. That's good. I'm a little sad that it's micro USB, but whatever. This is your. Now they say, I think when you buy the actual version that you get 10 gel packs. I think we got. Oh no! Look at these are. Look at that! You get a just a whole bunch of them. So basically, it says usage. This product is so it has. See this? It has this powder in the bottom. So basically, you're gonna fill this up. It says till it becomes a gel, and then, yeah, open the water filling port. Yes, attach it to the faucet. Fill it with fresh water. It will solidify into a gel, and then put it in the freeze. Okay, so you do get you get a whole bunch of these. So the nice thing is depending on if you're working all day, you could have a lot of these frozen and just ready to go. So you could just replace them whenever you need to. So that's actually kind of awesome. And then this is, yes, so I got the 2XL, the 3XL. Now I normally take somewhere between an XL and a 2XL. So my question is that how does it fit? Yes. So first off, before we do that, this is the back. Yeah. This is the back here. So from what I am aware, the top piece, this one up here, you actually see it's waterproof, and this is where you would put the ice containers. As far as I know, the ice containers go in here, right? You strap them in. And it is waterproof. And you actually, as far as I saw in the thing, you can put water in here with them, just probably to help them stay cooler. But that goes in there. You would seal that back up, right? With the little yeah. So you unzip this and you fill it up. Okay. No, I'm down. Okay. And again, I'll do this, and it's gel, right? And then lastly, you have this down here, and this is where you can plug in your battery pack. So you guys see that, right? It has a little battery pack, and that's going to sit in here. And you can feel, it's hard, maybe, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little pump, and that's the pump that's going to pump water through the vest. All right, I'm down. Okay, water through the vest. That's cool. Makes you feel all high-tech. I would bring this motorcycle riding for sure, because you could wear this underneath. And if you get 2.5 to 3.5 hours, that's not too bad, you know, especially if you just wore it in the hottest part of the day. Let's say you're on a trip, you could actually, you know, just be like, okay, so from noon till whatever, I'll wear this. Now the key is trying to keep the ice packs cool up to then, but maybe you'd put them in a cooler and some ice or something if you have some storage. Okay, that's cool. I'm down. And then frontwards, you guys can see it here. There is just a standard power button like you see on most. So how does this fit? How does this fit? So it fits. It feels like you would fit this like almost like a bulletproof vest style thing, right? So this would go on here. Oh yeah, this is good size. This is good size for me. So if you're an extra large or close to a double extra large, I would say go with the 2X to 3X. Oh yeah, see? Boom. Especially because you're going to be carrying the water packs and that in the back. Yes? Okay. That's cool. And I'm trying to figure out, it says it, I guess you can feel it. You can kind of feel there's stuff in here, right? Which is, I guess, is where it's going to be flushing it through. Let's go put some of these in the freezer, and then we'll come back once they're frozen. So I guess we'll come back tomorrow, but today for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's warm outside now. Currently it's about 26, 27 degrees outside, overcast. So once the clouds go away, it should get even hotter. I'm gonna bring this down a little lower. This one here, I think, down here. So this is the vest. We got it here. Now what you do have to do is undo the zipper. Now the zipper was tight, which is, I guess, really good because it has to have a seal. You're going to put 20 ounces of water in there, cold water. That's what's going to circulate. So 2.5 cups. And then this is the ice pack after it's been frozen, I guess. So then you take your ice pack and you stick that in there. I guess you can just lay it down in there so it sits in the water. Yep, in the water. And then this zipper, it's got little, you guys need to see it, like little binding straps. But once this is closed, you know, you can kind of latch it underneath there so it's not really gonna open, I would think. Now, I left the battery that they brought downstairs, but I have a bigger battery, so a 10,000 milliamp battery. So basically all I'm going to do is take that, undo the top. This one should give me twice as much runtime, I would think. And we'll plug that in here. That comes up, sweet deal. Drop it in there. You get two, so again, you get two pouches. One for the battery, one for the water. Don't put the battery in the one with the water, because that would make everybody sad. And then this. Now, don't put it on with a hat either. This is something to be aware of. It definitely adds a bit of weight, for sure, right? There's no doubt about it. There's extra weight on here. So I'm just going to seal this up nice. But without even circulating, it's kind of nice to have the water, the ice pack on your back. For sure, you guys can see how that fits, yeah? Okay, that's how it fits. And then you have this. So this is just, you're going to hold it. And so what this does is now if you put this on before, oh yeah, holy cold, you can literally, because it's pumping, right? You can literally feel it going up your back. It's coming over, slowly over my shoulders and down into here. Oh yeah. And you can hear it once in a while when you turn because it hasn't gotten all the air out. Like, maybe you can hear it. That's the vest, not. Okay. Anyways, once it fills and circulates the water, then it just circulates that. And it's got this bladder that's all through here and all through your back. And I have it on set to constantly run. Now again, I've got a 10,000 milliamp battery in there, but because that area is so large, as long as the battery is not super long, but it can be definitely wider, my guess would you be to put like a 20,000 milliamp battery in here. Oh, that's lovely. Now, I don't know, if you're riding a motorcycle, I would say this would be fine. You could easily ride a motorcycle with this. Now, if you have a back seat, a seat rest, you probably won't be able to rest back on it because you're going to get that ice pack. And that ice pack is going to be right in the center of your back. But if you're going on like if I was going from my house into town, which is only about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it's like hot out, which I do. This would be fantastic because it would just keep your core so nice and cool. And if I'm out, which I need to do, mowing the lawn, oh yes, the lawn, this would be fantastic. You guys can see it, yeah? So you get that little bit of that extra right there, a little bit of extra right there. But yeah, I'm down with this, right? And you can tell it only comes down to the bottom strap. So if it's your belly that you want cooled, not so much. It's kind of keeping this area. So bladder is from here, and then it comes up all the way up to the neckline, and then back over the shoulders, and of course the ice pack is in the back. Yeah, no, that's cool. I like that. I think that's gonna be really useful for the warm days that I'm out like mowing the lawn and doing yard work and things like that. Or if you're someone that just works outdoors in the hot weather. Super cool. All right, my friends, I'm going super cool. Super. Anyways, I'm gonna leave links down below to where you can pick this up if you're interested. And yeah, I think it's kind of neat. Right, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Later.